Well, I'm waiting on a motoring ASC for this custom handcrafted Dominator. I think I'll go run an RC boat. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio-controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Let's look at the weather. Those trees are blowing pretty good. It's a windy day out there. Windy day. Which boat will it be? I think it'll be the Magnum. Today, we're gonna go to a couple of different lakes. For a change, we're gonna try Spreckels. We're gonna check that place out. You know what I mean? Let's show the locals what our boats do. I mean, we are a bit much for them. You know what I mean? Like, nobody there's gonna have anything like this. But I'm sure they'll be delighted to see it. Then, we'll go to our lake. We'll go to Lake Merced. Typically, we don't go out on weekends because there's a lot of people out. But you guys want to see some videos, you guys want to see some action, and we're gonna give it to you. Well, oh well. Looks like a whole slew of model boaters here. Yes, that is a bunch of RC model boaters. Maybe go up there and check them out. Right, I'm here at the lake. I see my buddy Julio I used to run with.
There you go.
Now we're checking out the...
Slide the packs in the air.
Oh, wow. Can you take a look at that? See, that is amazing. Big old Pitman motor now.
Working on that. Feels like it, see? Pretty cool. That spins.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful vessel.
This way started to come, so I got everything out because, you know, sitting up in front of the lake at the water, make sure they don't work on your back too much when you lower it down.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at this tug. A great stand for it. We're probably going to put some big hobby wings in it or some laners.
Frank is like, you stop off.
Oh, now we got some warships. How's it going? Great.
Nothing like.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't have enough. It has a scale speed, but
Twin jets.
I have the hardware to hook up a couple brushless, but I don't want. It's such a scale speed that it doesn't matter.
No, the last one I seen you run was very, very fast. I don't think you need brushless.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm sure that thing gets up and goes. That thing is so nice.
It goes slower than you think, is what it is. But it's for sure a scale speed.
Those are scale jet drives.
Yeah, these are K&B from a long time ago. You know, they're out of business now.
K&B made those?
Yeah. In Germany.
Oh, okay.
K&B.
Very nice. Now this is more my style right here. Pleasure yacht. Check this thing out. This is something I would run in real life. You could catch me on something like this.
Did you put that other boat in the water I saw on Facebook?
Which one?
The one with the V8 in it?
Not yet. We're working on it. And now, a word from our sponsors. The Rampage Twin Cat by Oxidean Marine is one hell of a boat. At a full 55 inches long, this boat can handle just about any water condition you throw at it. This big behemoth is very powerful as well. With two 57 by 113 4-pole brushless motors paired to Hobbywing 300 amp ESCs, an Oxidean Marine version. This thing is a monster. You are sure to impress any and everyone at the lake when you bust this massive boat out. This boat has been proven to run at over 120 miles an hour with zero issues. The best customer support in the industry. Beautiful blue Hobbywing ESCs in the Oxidean version. Order yours now to be the king of the lake. Well, here we are at the water with the Magnum. They said they want to see an Oxidean boat go. Let's give them what they want. Son of a gun. Now that was big fun on the bayou. We're rocking the Hobbywing 200s. They seem very robust. I got them on a soft start setting, which I don't like, but I'll change that. The Magnum is such a wonderful, great handling boat. It's pretty windy today, so we're gonna wrap up the runs with the Magnum. But keep in mind that if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boats. Bill Oxidean and the Magnum, over and out.